Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
And we have been working on our top secret boat building project. It's only partially done, but we have it working. As you can see, we've gotten some reeds and we've bundled them together. Actually, this was a reed fence that we took apart piece by piece.
Wasn't it bamboo?
Yes, but it's a reed boat, so we're calling it reeds.
We're calling it reeds.
Okay.
Yeah.
We took apart this fence and piece by piece, and then we put it back together into these bundles. And then we are steaming the bundles in the bathroom and show them what we get.
And we have a curvature. And we also have a wire pulling tension on each end to keep the curvature as it dries out. This actual boat model is modeled off the Maori boats, the reed boats that we saw in the museum in Auckland, right, Mark?
That's correct.
In the Maori exhibit.
I think we have a picture of one.
Yes, we do, and we'll be showing that to you too.
So we will keep you up to date as we progress on our boat building project.
Yes, we have a long way to go, but we got a good start.
Shh,
don't tell anyone.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
And it is day 50 of our 164-day Around the World cruise.
Day 50.
Oh my gosh, what a milestone we have hit today.
Yes, we have.
And finally, today is the day of the boat building competition, and we get to move this sucker out of our cabin.
So nice.
So Shirley, what's the name of our boat?
Coupe's Escape.
Yes, it is, and there's a legend that goes along with this. And Shirley, what is it?
Well, the legend of Coupe is that he was on the island of Hawaii, not Hawaii, Hawaii. He killed his cousin to steal, this is Coupe, to steal his cousin's wife. And he led to escape, he led a migration of 7 canoes to a place that we now call New Zealand.
That's true. And one of the things that the Maori do is a dance called the haka. And you'll notice that our characters are kind of in character with that. You'll see that coming up in the video. And it kind of goes like this.
That's right. It does do that. And we'll put a picture of Mark doing that. Also, our inspiration for this boat came from the Auckland Museum. We were walking around and learning about the Maori people, who we really developed a great love for and a great respect for. And we saw this reed boat in a glass case, and it was very much like the one that we've built. It was our inspiration, wasn't it, Mark?
It was. We've spent about 3 full days at sea building this boat.
And I'm going to give our room stewards credit for being so amazing, because all that bamboo all over the place in here, they had a frightful day, I'm sure.
It's been a mess. Now the trick today is whether or not we can get this guy out of our door and upstairs by 2 o'clock.
That's right.
So I guess we better get off this and give that a try.
Well, we did try to arrange a winch, but we can't even get it out to the balcony, so much for that.
Worst comes to worst, everybody will have to come into our cabin and do the event right here.
Yeah. Except we won't be able to float it.
No, it's got to float for 20 seconds, so we're hoping that will happen.
We've just got to get it out of here, right, Mark?
Let's get it out of here.
Let's get busy.
Let's move it.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, Greg is trying to help Mark and I to get this boat out of our cabin.
Okay, now, what do you say we
Because
pick it up on?
she's a bit of a monstrosity. Okay.
Anything to tell about the materials we use?
Okay, so we use reeds. We got some reed dressing and we pull it apart one piece at a time across. And I hand strung over 400 cords and we fill the bottom of the cords.
Alright. So, gentlemen, are we ready to test its floatability? Alright, I'll let the creators of the boat take it over to the hot tub.
I feel like this the wall's going to be great.
Now.
We have a tie for third place, and third place is tied with boat number 2 and boat number 7. Really quite close, of course, until money changed hands. Oh, come on, I'm just teasing. In second place, it's boat number 5. Boat number 5.
Number 5?
And ladies and gentlemen,